1080.
This is a test of the emergency alert system on the new 1029.
Here we go.
15 years.
Amazing kids will soar to new heights. With talented brains, they're full of delights. Come for the laughs and see mind bend.
Perfect. Here we go.
Officer, so this is Steve's dating pool.
Awesome. Look at this.
New York has issued a flash flood warning for Queens County in southeastern New York, Kings County in southeastern New York, southern Nassau County in southeastern New York until 7:45 p.m. At 6:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area, with rainfall of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jamaica, Flatbush, Flushing, Levittown, Freeport, Valley Stream, Long Beach, Garden City, Lynbrook, Mineola, Woodmere, Westbury, Rockaway Beach, Crown Heights, and Kennedy Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
My first flash flood warning.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Brooklyn, Nassau, and Queens.
Wow, it's my first flash flood warning. I never thought I'd receive this. That's awesome.